Hello students, Sai Ram. Today we are going to start a new lesson of science, that is chapter number 4, sorting materials into groups. Children, first we'll see what is sorting. Here on the screen you can see a image of a library. In a library you see a large number of books. Are all these books of the same type? No, the books are on different subjects like English, Hindi, maths, science, social science, and so on. Within a subject also, there are books of different authors and publishers. How are such a large number of books are arranged in a library, children? The books are arranged subject wise. English books are arranged together in one section, science book in another section, and so on. The English book may further be arranged as fiction or non-fiction. Within a subject, the books may also be arranged otherwise, publisher-wise or alphabetically. You can think of many more ways of arranging books. The subject, author, the publisher provide some point of similarities and dissimilarities among the books. Similarities help us to arrange things in same groups. Differences help us to arrange things in separate groups. The systematic arrangement of things on the basis of similarities and differences is called sorting or classification. Imagine what would happen if the books in library were kept randomly. Would it be easy to find a particular book? No. Sorting orderly arrangement does make it easier for us to find things or books. We know exactly where to look for a particular item. We see a wide variety of objects around us like food, clothes, bags, bottles, chairs, tables, balls, utensils, cycles, cars, houses, and many extra things. We can sort these things on the basis of their shape, size, color, and intended use, and whether they are edible or not. Now students, we will see a small story based on sorting materials and how sorting helps Rohan to complete his work which is given by his father. So let's begin with that. Hi friends, meet him. He is Rohan. Rohan's father has a shop where he sells utensils. There were various types of utensils in that shop: copper jar, iron pan, plates made of steel, glass tumblers, and even utensils made of clay. When his father opens the shop in the morning, he cleans all the things and set them up for display. One day, when Rohan's parent came home from work, father said that tomorrow is the festival of Dhanteras. On this festival, many people buy at least one new utensils for their homes. Then Rohan said, "Father, can I go to the shop with you tomorrow?" "I also want to help you." Father replied, "Why not? You can come along and help me to set up the shop before the customer start coming." Rohan slept happily. He got up early in the morning and got ready all by himself. He said to his father, "Papa, I am all set." Then father said, "Let's have a breakfast and we will go to the shop." Rohan was very excited to help his father, but in his mind, many questions kept popping up throughout the way. Like, how will Papa put so many utensils? How will customer find one out of so many utensils? If a lot of customers will come, how will he give each customer a vessel of their choice? As soon as Rohan and his father reached to the shop, they saw two monkeys were jumping here and there, and they threw all the articles of the shop here and there. The whole shop was in mess. As soon as the monkeys saw Rohan and his father, they jumped out from the window and ran away. Rohan's father got upset seeing this mess. Oh my God, what had happened? It is time for customers to come, and how will I keep all these utensils properly in such less time? Rohan did not like seeing his father upset. He thought and said to the father, "Don't worry at all, Papa. I am there. I will help you." Then father said, "Thank God, Rohan, you are there to help me. But, Papa, tell me what to do first." "First, we'll keep these same utensils like tumblers, bowls, and plates which look different from each other. We'll keep that in different places. Then we will separate tumblers according to their material type. That means we will separate these tumbler which are made of glass and steel separately. This will make our work easy." Rohan and his father started putting together utensils according to their type. Rohan slowly put large size bowls together first, then smaller ones. While doing this, Rohan noticed that some of these small bowls are shiny, some of them are brown in color, and some of the bowls are made up of glass. He put the same kind of bowls together one by one. Then he asked his father, "Dad, why do all these bowls look different?" His father replied, "Because they are made of different substances. The shiny ones are made of steel, and the ones which are in brown color, they are made of copper, and these are the glass bowls. We have to be careful because they can break easily." Rohan saw that all other utensils are also made of different materials, and he asked his father why utensils are made of different substances. Father answered him, "Rohan, because every substance has different qualities. Like most of the iron and aluminium utensils are used for cooking, like this iron pan, because these are stronger than everything else. The food does not burn in it." Rohan happily said that, "I got it, Dad." Dad hugs Rohan and says, "Thank you, son. You have made my job very easy." Meanwhile, many customers started coming. While doing this, Rohan observed that the same type of pot is made of different materials, such as tumbler is also made of glass as well as steel. A pan is also made of iron as well as aluminium and other materials. Rohan found it very excited. Then he went to a market. There he saw that all these substances make many things, like toys are made of clay, plastic and even from cloth. He also saw that many different things are made of the same substances. When he reached home, he washed his hands and feet and sat with his mother. Mother was very excited to know about what he has done in the shop today. She asked Rohan, "How is the day today, child?" Rohan replied, "Ma, I helped father and also learnt how to sort the different materials which are made of different substances." "Oh, great. Let's do one thing. Why do we make a list of what you saw today in the shop?" his mother replied. Then Rohan's mother wrote various substances in one column of the list, and in second column then Rohan wrote all the things one by one and made the picture of what he saw in the market. Like wood. Wood is used to make chair and toys. Then steel material is used to make utensils, spare part of bicycles. Then for plastic, he wrote the toys, even some utensils and furniture are made of plastic. Here children, he has done the categorization of materials or sorting of materials what he saw in the shop. Rohan was very happy that day. He learnt about various materials and different things made from them. Rohan also learnt to keep those things in a group, which means to categorize things. Rohan thought that now he will make a list of food items, clothes and reading items at home, and then he will categorize them. Here children, our story ends over here. Now next is a homework for you. Children, you have to make a list of objects around you based on food items, clothes and reading items. Then children, these food items you have to categorize as they are, like you can categorize them as they are either vegetarian food or non-vegetarian food, or junk food or healthy food, or spicy foods or less spicy foods, or the animal which is made the food which is made from animals, or the food we are getting from the plants. Like this you can categorize the food which you eat. Then children, you can categorize the food in many more ways. Next, here children, regarding clothes, you can categorize the clothes by color wise. Then, or you can categorize the clothes which are made up of which material, like either they are made of cotton or wool, or from the silk, or from the rayon materials. You can categorize based on the material. Even you can categorize based on the type, whether it is or whether it is for kids, or for men or for women. You can categorize the clothes according to your way. Even next children, you can categorize the books or reading materials, or reading materials are maybe of magazine, newspaper or books. Then you can categorize these reading materials in different ways, like it is author wise also you can differentiate them. Yes children, so you have to decide the category of differentiation in which you are categorizing these things which you look around. Children, here today's session I am ending over here children. Then we will see more about the sorting of materials in the next coming session. Till then, goodbye children.